Alright guys, so working on the car today, and I'm gonna be putting on the door panel. Man, I hate seeing the seats on video, but yeah. So I cleaned up the door panel, looks pretty good. There it is right there. Came out really nice. Just a few little scratches around here where like it was like sitting down on the car, and a little bit up here, but besides that, very neat. Take this off, and then I'm gonna clean up a little bit around the dust, and then I'm gonna put that one on. But I still have to put this like felt strip onto that one. You can see how that one's cracked right there. But yeah, so that's what's wrong, and it's completely cut out right here. Somebody had just drilled it and put the speakers on the outside. But yeah, so it was all bad what they did. So, and it's like munched out right there. I don't know if that's gonna show up. And all of this is just like worn out. And then if you look at the other one, it actually has all the factory what is that, the texture and everything. So nice on this one. So yeah. That's how she looks right there. It's a little bit something's going on with the color right there, but I don't know, I'll probably just end up cleaning it out with the brush or something to get inside the grill. But and it is a little bit on the faded side, as you can see, but I think just a nice little conditioning and using like a plastic protectant would make it darker and everything. But yeah, so that looks pretty good. Oh, and by the way, I re-dyed the carpet. I just blew a little bit of that dye inside of here, gave it a quick vacuum, and yeah, you can see right there, looks pretty good, and loads better, as you could see right there. It actually looks black. And then I don't know if the camera's gonna show that, but all the way across, pretty dang nice. Before it was all like blotchy and everything, and it looks better in person for some reason. It's like kind of a little bit on the overexposed. Let me see. Well, yeah, I can't change it, but so yeah, so how it looks right there. All I need are some seats. These things are basically turning into confetti, which is pretty bad. I had to put this in, and just by daily use. So let's check out the other side. So yeah, so that's the other side right there, and that's that duplicate color, I believe, carpet dye. And I kind of shot a little bit right here too, so that looks a lot better. It's obviously not permanent, as people start to use it and they go with their shoe, it's just gonna flake right off. But what can you do unless I just buy another carpet or find a better dye? And I'm not gonna do RIT dye because I've done floor mats before and their black is like actually like a tin of purple. And yeah, and there it is right there. Looks pretty dang good. I wish I could get the that carpet that goes all the way, the Type S carpet. That would actually be pretty nice, but it's okay, maybe in the future. And I actually detailed the back and everything, but within a day it got destroyed completely. But I had vacuumed out everything. I had so much crap back here, and yeah. Well, yeah guys, so that's a little video. It looks so nice, I can't believe it. I just gotta kind of make the other one match. Let's see. It doesn't really have that much damage, obviously some scratches, but now what's kind of sucky is that this was the bad side, that was the good side. Now that this side looks good, this side looks terrible with those scratches. So now I kind of want to get another door panel for this side. Never ever satisfied. So yeah guys, so that's gonna be the little video. If you want to see more, please subscribe and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, and now I don't have to stare at that gaping hole anymore, and it's not all chewed up right here, and it actually has like that texture and everything looks nice. But yeah, all right guys, if you want to see more, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.